Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today we go from this to this. You guess who we are? If you guessed,
I'm Wolverine.
Phoenix. We're X-Men. Then you're right. The new Dark Phoenix movie is coming out. So we decided to do X-Men. We're so glad you're here, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and Kasen's and give it a big thumbs up. Double make sure, because we're gonna be doing a challenge on Kasen's channel.
It's gonna be so awesome!
Link the video down below.
And right here.
Now I'm gonna use my powers to get onto the video. We're both gonna start by using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation.
We let the pina coladas out in the rain. Now we're gonna do my hair so it looks like Wolverine. We're gonna do a hairspray.
Guys, we look so fabulous. Now I'll use the powder. Let's hope it lightens my face up.
Now we're gonna add some dark brown.
Now on to contour.
We're gonna do highlighting and contouring to make me look like Wolverine. We are using these to contour and highlight my face. We're using the light colors to make my nose look bigger. And we're using it to make it look like I'm a man.
Now on to the eyeshadow. This Huda Beauty palette. Starting with this red.
We're gonna blend it in.
This kind of looks like more of a really light orange. I'm using this kind of like darker color with this colors to make it look like red. Looks like I got pink eye.
Now we're gonna do the shadowing.
I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend it out. So I just kind of smoking this out and I'm putting a darker color in my crease.
See how that made me look mad and like Wolverine? You didn't need to see Dad's eyes. Now I'm gonna do my facial hair. I'm gonna use this brown liner.
I'm going to use this glittery color on my lid. I love this color and I love it's glittery and it shows up really well. I'm using this orange right here that's in the palette.
I'm gonna draw the outline first. See, guys?
Just finishing my eyebrows.
And I'm just finishing my mustache.
Now I'm starting with the blush. This is Colorful from NYX. Well, since YouTube comments aren't on, you can go to my Instagram and comment me there. I'm gonna do my mascara before my lips. And this is the Big Shot Mascara. Now I'm gonna do my red lips. So I'm gonna do both of them. First I'm gonna start with this one because it's glittery. Now time for the glittery one. Now it's time to get finished doing our Dark Phoenix look. Here's the final look. I'm Wolverine. I'm Phoenix. And we're X-Men. So much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you slice that subscribe button, or you can burn it. How about you guys use your powers and subscribe to my channel? My powers is fire.
My powers is slicing and healing fast.
Make sure you go to my Instagram and comment what video I should do next. And make sure you follow me at the Daya Daily. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!